let's listen together. Oh, that's again very Winter Saga vibe. Hey, Nomitron, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome. Thank you for the raids. Hope you had a great stream. Welcome, welcome. Well, let's see how it goes. Yeah, sounding nice so far. Mind Physic, welcome, welcome. We're just doing a little reaction break. We're gonna react to this song, then another one, and then we'll continue with some tracks. So yeah, Nomitron, if you want to request something, please do. Please do. So we can play it for you after the break. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, it's very much reminds me of Winter Saga, this one. Yeah, very nice. I started to really like this vibe ever since Winter Saga, actually. Now that I kind of get it more. Okay, alright. This is still really nice. Okay, alright, let's see. Oh, Nomitron, thank you. You're awesome. But if you have an idea to request something, please do. I'll obviously move it up in the queue for you. Oh, it sounds like Zelda. I don't really know Zelda soundtrack. What's up, Noriyuki? Welcome. Yeah, that's a pretty hardcore rhythm. Yeah, nice. I see what you mean, Cage, yeah. Hey, nice, Royal. We'll prioritize that reaction. Actually, we'll react to it next. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, right? It's quite punishing. Imagine doing this the entire time. Okay, alright, Royal. Just let me know exactly what part of the video. Like what minute timestamp. Oh, okay. It even speeds up. Okay. Oh yeah, that rhythm is insane. Oh my god. Jeez. Like, how fast is that? Like that. Damn. That is really fast. Yep. I appreciate that, Tina. Yeah, now I get it. I really like it otherwise though, like this is something I could learn eventually, but yeah, it is quite punishing. Yeah, probably right around 130, 140, yeah. Maybe a bit faster than that. I think 180, really? Oh. Yeah, I wonder if it is. I feel like maybe it's not quite as fast as 180. I don't know, I'm not hearing 180. Yeah, okay, it's really cool though. And I like it when a song knows when to slow down, you know? Yeah, a bit of change of pace. It's very good. Honestly, I feel like the band needed that at this point. Okay, Royal, you got it. So I guess next break if you want. Alright. So minute 2 and then to 13. Okay, alright. Honestly, Naruki, depending on subdivision, 100 BPM can still be quite fast, you know, of course. Oh yeah, Tina, I don't think this is possible with only downstrokes now. Maybe someone can, honestly. But yeah. I can't believe that Megadeth is considered like old stuff, man. I guess maybe he could, I don't know. I feel like in his prime, maybe. But still, just downpicking this, I don't know. I have my doubts. Speed metal before they recorded thrash after. Oh goodness. Kirk slowed them down. Oh no. I would say this is, yes. I'm not sure exactly what kind of metal, maybe like power metal, I guess? Maybe power metal with a bit of speed metal? But really cool. Yeah, really epic vibe. This is, yeah, I appreciate this.